guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enable local transfer in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to enable local transfer, which also means if you want to transfer some files into your local network, then this video is for you. So that might be a bit confusing as to where you can find it, but you can find it in your settings. So just go ahead and use Command and comma to open your Steam settings, and once you're here, all you need to do is find downloads. So it is right under library. To do so, you just need to find game file transfer over local network. So it is right here. So if this is enabled, you would successfully be able to transfer game files to local network. But if it's disabled like this, just go ahead and turn it on. And in this way, you can successfully enable local network transfer. Hope this was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.